I'm here at the magnificent Trevi Fountain in Rome, and it's a place where a lot of people throw coins to get luck, and that's one way to get luck, but as you've probably heard me say, the extent to which we don't have what we say we want tends to be the extent to which we're resisting it. And what if that's true about luck as well? So let's clear some resistance and allow more luck into our lives. So, tapping where I tap and repeating back what I say, and you can find out in the description box more information about tapping if you're not familiar with it. I choose to experience better luck, and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to experience better luck, and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to experience better luck, and I choose to clear anything that might limit that. I choose to experience greater luck, and I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved in this. I choose to experience better luck. I choose to be experienced better luck. I'm clearing the blocks to that. If there's any part of me that resists good luck, I am choosing to clear that. Why couldn't I have better luck? Why shouldn't I have better luck? I may have some old reasons why I don't feel I deserve that. And I choose to release those. Clearing them at a cellular level and all the way back through my past. I'm allowing myself to get lucky. And it has been said that fortune favors the bold. So I'm allowing myself to be bolder as well. Clearing the blocks to that. Clearing the limits. Allowing myself to be bolder. Allowing myself to be more lucky. Allowing things to get better and better in my life. And I deserve that. And I choose to love myself in the process. In body, mind, and spirit. Yeah. Take a deep breath. And hopefully you're opening yourself up to experiencing greater luck, greater fortune. You deserve that, and it benefits others, so thanks for doing that. And if there's other stuff that gets in the way of that, I'm here for you. I mean, probably not here in Rome, but here online on YouTube. Thanks.